Hi, this is Motorola Edge 40 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So open first the settings, tap to wallpaper section and click to lock screen. Here you could see the just preview of your lock screen. You could choose your new wallpaper from your device, photos previously taken on the device camera or downloaded from the internet. Also, you could use one from this available dynamic or regular default photos just from your device. So let's use one from the available photos here. You could here change the position of the wallpaper on the lock screen. You could see the preview, then just tap on the right down corner to OK and tap to lock screen. So after that, we could see the message that the wallpaper is set successfully. So as you can see, okay, we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we got this same one more way how we could change it. Just hold for a while the home screen with your finger, tap the wallpapers, and by the same way select one from these available wallpapers. Let's use, for example, this one, and we could change it. So I'll just use the default wallpaper. So I just want to use this wallpaper, tap to OK, lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.